much margin for error on this road. You can see on the mirror, very close to the edge, both edges, both lines. That's what makes it fun. Increase your skills. Of course, no way we could go on these roads with a B double, let alone with a B triple or a B quadruple, and that's what I want to drive. Probably you heard in my previous episodes. My goal is to drive the biggest, meanest road trains that we find in Australia. Hopefully, the biggest a B quadruple with 4 trailers. Nice Road Ranger, Mack or Kenworth or Western Star or Peterbilt. Here we go. So it's gonna be funny. Let's see if they let us through. Usually they're good. I'll let this guy out and then I'm gonna go in full on. Thanks, mate. Nice people. That's a good thing about Australia here. Everyone easy going. Pretty much like in US and Canada. Well, most of the time people are willing to help you if you're nice to them, empathize with them. Respect is reciprocal, guys, and respect has to be earned, not demand. And usually it's always we always lead by example first. Not much sign, just do it. So clear around here, and pretty nice and full, so I gotta take it easy. Close the window just in case of sort of liquids come down the rooftop. Trying to be quiet because it's still residential area. Early morning. Oh yeah, nice and full. And I really had to go to the toilet. Oh, can hardly concentrate. Oof. Hopefully our next stop will be on the way with a gas station. I will have to improvise. Mission accomplished. Alrighty. And it's all clear, not many people. Let's take advantage of these and get out of here. Back and packing. We pack so we squeeze all the rubbish at the back of the truck and make space for new products to come in. And what a product, huh? So let's patch in the next stop. I should punch in toilet. Far out. I'm sure here the shopping center they have some toilets, but where I can't really park the truck around here. So far out. Alrighty. ETA 26 minutes, not bad. Alright, let's get out of here. So the secret to reverse trucks, guys, whether you're a trailer or not, it's always try to point the back of the truck or the back of the trailer in the where you want it to go. Makes it much life easier. Then of course, if you have a semi-trailer, be double, be triple, be quadruple, it becomes a different game, especially in tight docks. Not bad today. Not many people at all, because we arrived earlier than usual. That paid off. Nice people, let me go. Everyone looking, putting up a show here. Here we go. Haha, come on. Never get tired of this stuff. Still with me? Yep. Time to the motorbike behind, eh? I wish. Thank you, people. Very kind. Everyone's so disciplined around here. Except this guy. Keep clear, mate. Everyone's so nice. Makes life easier. Hit the traffic again.